ring lights. Today we're gonna bring you a couple different ring lights. So the first one I'm actually using right now, it is a personal ring light that you can clip onto your phone. It's pretty bright when you get up this close. Once you get farther, it still brightens it up. This is the mode where it's combined with the white and the yellow. If you were to hit the button, that's the white. So if you look at it, it looks kind of bluish. And then if you hit it again, the tint becomes yellow. So those are the three settings, and then there's obviously the off. There we go, that's the combined mode, so it makes it look more natural. That's what I like about it. You can still see, look, there we go. So you can see the little ring in the eyes. It's pretty cool. This is pretty good if you want to carry your phone around and then use it to record. That's pretty much the purpose of this thing. This is the light itself right here. There's a clip right there. So you can go like this and clip it to something. Like there, I clipped it to my finger. There is a button right here, right? Push the button, turns it on, and that's the combined mode. Push the button, that's the white mode. That's the yellow mode, and then off. Right here is the charge port. Actually, the light, when it's plugged in, it'll be red until it's done. When it's done, it turns green. You'll see it. It lights up right here. But there's like a little hole too. So yeah, clips on, pretty convenient. Put it on there, turn it on, and then you can see the difference, right? And off. That's the first ring light we got. I got it mainly because, you know, we needed some extra light. It helps when you're doing vlogging and stuff because it helps with the face, brightens your face, right? Usually you're gonna put it in front of you, so it brightens your face up so you can get the outline of your face. That's pretty cool, but the thing is, the distance is, you can't get too far with it. So if you're interested in this light, I'm gonna put a link in the description. Click on it. And just a little note that it's Amazon affiliate. So click on it if you want to check out this light right here. And we're also gonna show you the second ring light that we ended up buying. Also, description if you want to purchase it as well. So let me show you this guy right here, this bad boy. So we got this. All right. So this is a 10 inch this way on the inside diameter. Comes with ring light itself, and it comes with this attachment right here. It's a ball head. This secondary ball head that we use right here came with my aperture light. So my aperture light, this is it right here. I can throw in a link as well for this aperture light if you guys are interested. Comes with the case, comes with this right here, aperture LED light. This thing is pretty cool. So we needed another light. This is a pretty good light source as well. You can use it in background setting, you can use it in the foreground, you can use it to light up the face as well. It really doesn't, you need to diffuse the light, right? Because it's really focused. It's 3.7 volt, 1800 mAh. Uses a USB-C charging port right here. If you can see the lighting in the room, the light source is coming from behind me, so I'm backlit. In order to have a good lighting for your face, you can use one of these guys, this aperture light that I have, or the ring light that I was showing you. A lot of people like the ring light because it has a little halo effect in the eyes. What's really cool about this aperture light is that there's a boost button. Boom, lights it up really bright, really bright. So you can lower that, get some good contouring. What you really want is a light source that's like diffused. So what you should try to get is a soft box and have the light source coming from this, like one of these angles like this, or up here. Right, you need to get you need to take into account shadow and where the light source you want it. So yeah, we could put a link for that guy. This one has some pretty cool features. So you can attach it to a tripod right here directly. It's got this big old heat sink so that it doesn't overheat. This little plastic part for diffusing the light comes off, so you can pretty much have a raw version. You can go from cold to warm, right? There's the warm, there's the cold, right? So it goes white to yellow and everything in between it, right? or you can use it as dimming, so you can make it dimmer or brighter. A normal set is dimmest, that's the most dim. There's also a little blue, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a blue LED indicator. Very cool. Tells you how much power is left on it. That was the booster. Yeah, so it's 3.7 volt and 1800 mAh. Lasts about, I'd say 20 minutes if you have it on, or maybe an hour if you have it on the lowest setting and you just have it powered on. Could last about an hour with this 1800 mAh battery that's in. Yeah, charges USB-C, which is pretty cool. Comes with this right here, and has the cables, it has some clamps, it's pretty organized inside of there. Put that in there, has a carabiner, and it also comes with this ball mount that I was talking about that we attached to this. Alright, so this secondary ball mount that's right here, that's the aperture one. And then this actually came with this 10-inch ring light, as well as this mount for the phone. Okay, this first ball mount, phone mount, this bottom mount, this ball mount right here, that connects to this tripod. So this is the tripod that comes with the ring light. This is the controls for the ring light right here. With the controls, you have on and off switch right there. Probably can't see with this lighting. Increase the the brightness, decrease the brightness, and then change the color. This comes with a USB for the control. It's a USB port that's used to turn it on. I mean, to power the actual LED light. What you can do is plug it into one of these guys. This is the Nimble power bank. I also got this on Amazon, so if you guys want to check that out too. Nimble power bank, okay guys? So you can take this, plug it into the power bank. When that happens, you get this little blue light. Then you can press the blue light and it turns it on, right? There you go. So you see the brightness of that ring light right there. Man, okay, that's pretty bright. So you can also adjust the brightness of the ring light. Brightness, make it dimmer, right, with the minus. Make it brighter with the plus. And you can also change the color. So that was the combined, the earlier one. This is the cold, or the white. That's the yellow. That's the combined. Usually makes it look more natural. Like I was saying, it uses this USB source, right? So apparently my power bank's about to die. So I'm gonna unplug it. Let me turn the power off first. Power off and unplug. So that makes it more portable, but you can also use a wall plug. So what we were doing before, we had this little wall plug here. It's a USB AC charger, very old unit that we had for my old iPhone 4. We had plugged it in. We noticed was, if you take a look at the top, right there, it's like burned. And the reason why it was burned is because there's too much power draw coming from this, and this little thing couldn't handle it. So it actually smells like it's electrical burn. So if you have one of these, it's 1 amp 5 volt DC out. Be careful if you're gonna try to use this. It's probably gonna overheat it. What happened was, when it started overheating, the light shut off, and we're like, why is it shutting off? And then we looked at it, oh, this thing is burned. So you know what, scrap that. I got this new PowerPort 2 Elite from Anker. Okay, Anker is a pretty trusted brand. I like them. They're pretty trusted for wall chargers and things like that. This is the model A2023 desktop charger, USB charger. It's called the Anker PowerPort 2 Elite B2C US white version. So it's very compact, very small, pretty affordable. I'd say it's about $9 after tax. If you want to pick this up, check it out in the link in the description. So yeah, it comes with this little booklet, and you can register a warranty. This is a 2-year limited warranty for any manufacturer defects. The packaging is pretty compact, and it comes in this little plastic packaging. This is the unit itself right here. If you can see, that says IQ. It's a smarter, supposed to be smart because it tells how much power to draw from the wall. It has auto sensing, that kind of deal. This flips down, right? The plugs that go into the outlet. This has a 5 volt 4.8 amp because it has 2 ports, so it can have a 2.4 amp max per port. So you multiply that by 2, you got 4.8 amps at 5 volts. That's why the other one was only 1 amp, so it was drawing too much power. I believe with a USB 2.0 or 3.0, the 2.4 amps is pretty standard nowadays, so you need that draw, and this should provide it. So I'm gonna plug this in, we're gonna check it out. So far so good. The way that this tripod extends is you have to turn it and then pull and then turn it again, twist it to lock. And for this guy, same thing. You kind of line up the grooves to make it so it comes out, and then you turn it so the grooves are away from it to make it go back in. And for same thing for the top portion. And now it is up higher. The bottom portion of the tripod has legs like this, and the legs extend out like that if you need to raise up some more. So if I were to put it here, let's see how bright it is. Okay, see that? It's pretty bright. It brightened up my face now. There you go, there you have it. 10-inch ring light, comes with a ball mount, comes with a camera mount, comes with a tripod. We'll put the link down in the description below. Also for this guy, the Anchor charger, and the link also for my aperture light, and also a link here for this guy. Smaller ring light clip-on. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Lighting is very important. Make sure that you have adequate lighting. As you could tell by most of the video, I didn't have adequate lighting until I just turned this on, so now it's pretty adequate. Alright, so thanks guys for watching this video. Remember to make sure your lighting is good. If you see, I've got plenty of adequate lighting now. You probably noticed that the light wasn't too good because I was backlit. So make sure you either do this with the ring light, get another light source. Got 2 ring lights right here, got the aperture. Try to make sure you have a good lighting setup before you start recording. You can check out the products down below in the links below. Yeah, Amazon affiliate links, so it would help us out maybe if you guys want to check them out. By the way, we're not sponsored by any of these companies, but we like how they work. Thanks guys for checking out this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see some more. Peace, love, stay safe, stay home.